Here we go.
Yeah!
Field 10, show 7. Let's dodge the bullet. It's dodging the bullet. Field 10, show 7. An actor with a capital A. With a capital A. Field 10, show 7. You have to go there with it. You have to go there with it. Absolutely have to go there with it. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Hit them with it. Fill it up and lift it. Play with the scale. Field 10, show 7. Go 10, 11. Let's go to 11. Field 11, show 7. But let me ask this. Is there a big mama beat? Respect. Field 10, show 7. Get up! Get up! Field 11, show 7. Respect. Fucking dignity and respect. People who are drunk, respect. Beat by beat or word by word. Words, we rush through them. Now they can move people. They can affect things. Field 10, show 7. And make sure they understand. I am using this simply to communicate quickly with you about information. Awesomeness. Fucking go for it. Every time. It's the chorus. Field 10, show 7. Does that make sense? Something going on. Something more to it. Something more to it. There's something going on. There's something fucked up going on. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Wow, that's really fucked up. Field 10, show 7. Yeah, it's a crazy situation. I am actor, the coolest cat in the world. What might we do? There's no right answer. Never, don't act. We're about out of time. Field 10, show 7.